Hello there. Welcome in my training, Architecting an Azure Compute Infrastructure. My name is Pierre. To start with, let me share a little bit about myself. I am the CEO and lead technical trainer of PDTIT, the company that I started about 10 years ago, and 007 FFF Learning, which are two companies focused on providing Azure readiness to Microsoft partners, Microsoft customers, and Microsoft internal, anywhere all over the world. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer for a bit more than 10 years, an Azure MVP just renewed in my 5th year, an Azure Advisors member, and I have a background as an Azure Program Manager in Microsoft Corp. Feel free to reach out during watching my training when you're working on any labs whatsoever. Any question you have on Azure, I think, is a good question, so feel free to reach out. My email addresses are here on the slide. Or feel free to connect using social media and hope to stay in touch from there. Now let me start with sharing the insights of my course. So starting with the first section, it's everything around designing solutions using Azure networking. The section is oriented around architecting, designing Azure virtual networks using Azure only as well as Azure hybrid topologies. In the second section, I'm covering Azure virtual machines, mainly orienting, architecting, designing, again, Azure virtual machines, talking about the different sizing options, storage integration, high availability, as well as scalability features. And lastly, in section 3 of this course, I'm talking about designing an infrastructure monitoring and operation strategy, where I'm mainly covering the different Azure monitoring solutions that allow you to monitor your Azure infrastructure services, as well as talking about how you can optimize your Azure overall operations for those services. It's a wrap-up of everything you learned in this specific course. So with that, thank you for being here. I hope you enjoy my course. Let's get started.